Hi there, so now I will watch a new video from a relatively new girl group, I guess, called Nature. Never heard of them, but you guys, one of you, suggested them in the comments, and I'm interested. Group Nature, song Girls. Let's go. First shot is already pretty cinematic. Scissors from ceiling. Okay. Oh, I love her voice. You know, it's one of these songs that seems nostalgic for some reason. This instrumental breakdown feels kind of nostalgic. I don't know why. Video is great, by the way. Great. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. First of all, that part was great. Oh, that part. I saw that. That was a screamer. Ah! I missed it. I saw that. Okay. great. I love that song. Like, definitely. So Nature, I mean, it's kind of good group. I saw one comment, or that comment. Heard they will disband it if this comeback is not successful. I mean, I don't want to. The song is great. I really love it. Only 600,000 views. Don't know about that. It's kinda not many. Video is great. Video is really great. Looks very expensive. I don't know how much it costs, but it's a great video. And the song is really, in your feels. So yeah, I love it. I love it. And I will keep an eye on them. Nature. So yeah, thanks for watching. I need to see your comments, guys. More comments, more suggestions, more music, more videos, more everything. More, and more. Thank you. Bye, guys.